Oh boy, the crypto market looks bloody. Just exactly what I mentioned in my show yesterday. I warned you guys of a possibility of Bitcoin dropping because the alpha trend has printed a sell signal. Because of that, I think we might see Bitcoin dump to $52,000 if say Bitcoin is not able to hold the 60,000 and 59,000 price point. Now, by now you should be aware of the fact that altcoins move alongside Bitcoin. Like if your altcoin is pumping, cash out profit and wait. Look at what Bitcoin is doing. This is what I preach on my platform every now and then to use Bitcoin as that catalyst to help you to trade altcoins and make huge profit. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys some top altcoins that you can actually buy when Bitcoin gets to that price point. Wait a little bit. These are coins that I talk about most of the time on this platform. And apart from that, I also want to look at your altcoins. Which altcoins you are holding? Let me look at this altcoin to see if actually you should sell them right now and wait for a possible like a good entry before buying back. Yeah, good entry before you sell again. So that you can get in like at a good price if you have those altcoins, I'm gonna help you to analyze those altcoins and see which areas you should accumulate more of those altcoins. Now, before I dive into this juicy part, I want to welcome all of you who are always here with me. You are awesome. And those of you who are here for the first time, you are watching the BETONG Crypto here. I create content to help anyone out there who want to make cryptocurrency their thing, like their financial world or their source of income. They want to build something sustainable, build wealth with cryptocurrency. I'm here to help you guys or to help them understand how the crypto market moves, how they can capitalize on the different price actions. Look at Bitcoin to help them make more profit from altcoins. We are here to accumulate as many Bitcoin as possible because in the future, many countries are going to accept Bitcoin as a legal tender. We have seen what is going on with El Salvador and other countries accepting Bitcoin. In the future, we're going to see more of this coming up so that when you have your Bitcoin and you find yourself in Nigeria, in Cameroon, in Ghana, in Finland, in Sweden, wherever you find yourself, you'll be able to use your Bitcoin, spend it, or use your cryptocurrency to spend it. So right now, we are in the accumulation phase. That's why you shouldn't come here and focus on making money fast. So don't you dare do that. If you dare do that, you're gonna find yourself going behind like your dollar, your portfolio. It's gonna be so if you love what I do, then make sure you subscribe and like this content. Help it goes out to more people. And comment below where you are watching from. Now, having said all this good stuff, let's dive into the juicy part of today's show. Now, look at this. This is Banter Bubble. Now, we are looking at this per USDT. Now, let's go and look at this per Bitcoin. Let's see what is going on here if, say, we pair this with Bitcoin. So let's change it to BTC. Okay, changing it to BTC. Wow, look at this. Ethereum is actually up 1.2%. So if say you would have been in Ethereum, then you should be up 1.2% against BTC. So what you see, the coins that are in green here are the coins that are outperforming BTC at this point in time. So as BTC is dropping, these coins are not really doing well, and this is among the top 100 coins. And if we go to the top 200 coins, let's see the top 200 coins, which ones are outperforming Bitcoin. You can see here. Let's go to it. This is on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame to see which coin is outperforming Bitcoin for the daily time frame on the top 200 coins. You can see here Jito, Gal. So you can already look at coins that have strength, and you focus on those coins to see if say you can get something out of it. Because it seems as if these coins are not really dropping down in value as compared to other coins. You can see CRV is down only 4%, and other coins are down dramatically. And you can see drastically, and you can see Boomerang is down just 5%, and other coins are really down, crazy. So this is something like you should be doing every day. Look at your Banter Bubble. You can do the same with Crypto Bubbles. The same thing applies with Crypto Bubbles. I love Crypto Bubbles more when I want to do quick research. You can just go there. Now we are already in BTC. What you're seeing here is BTC, so I can quickly navigate. Weekly time frame, monthly. 15 minutes. You can see the coin. Like, let's go to the hourly time frame to see which coins are actually doing well now for the past hour. You can see these are the coins that are doing well for the past hour. ICP is up, against BTC. So for the past hour, if we see ICP, doing more than Bitcoin, then it means maybe ICP might be preparing to reverse back to the upside. So in this case, if say you are day trading, you can buy ICP short term. Look at Bitcoin chart and look at other aspect of the market, so we can protect ourselves and continue making profit. Now this is Bitcoin. Okay, we are at that critical level. Price is now 60,655. All right, if Bitcoin lose this zone here, what are you seeing here? We are seeing the 200-day moving average, and this is exactly around this $52,000. Maybe you are thinking, Bitcoin cannot just wake up and fall like that. It can. We can see a huge wick like that, whoop, to the downside. We cover all of these vector candles. And if I go to this area where we have this chart where we have, the better moving average here, let's do this here. Remember I mentioned yesterday about this, green vector candles recovery by the market makers, and this area is liquidity zone. They can push price there, and price is holding at this zone. If I zoom out, you're gonna see I marked that zone long time ago. Let me yeah, that was the previous high, before we saw this other high. That was a previous high. So price is holding there. Now guys, looking at the way price moves, when we see price make higher highs, price must come back to an extent and try to retest and, like, go to where price break and make all-time high. So price break and make all-time high for Bitcoin. So it's good, or is okay to say that price has come back to where price has broken. So what we are seeing here is that price should hold this area where price is. If price loses area, then we are going straight down to the price point that I mentioned. So it's very important you understand how Bitcoin moves. If you understand how Bitcoin moves, as I always mention on my platform or on my shows, it's going to help you to save money and prepare yourself to buy those altcoins cheaper. You can see Ethereum is down 7%, even though Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin for the week. If say you would have been in Ethereum like the whole of this week, you would have been in good profit. Let's look at the Ethereum BTC chart so we can see. Let's see Ethereum BTC. Let's see what's going on there. It's very important you also look at this. Now you can see, yeah, it makes sense. We saw this breakout here, and what we need to see is price should hold. Now price has recovered these vector candles. Now we should expect price to hold and start making its way back to the upside, and the alpha trend should print a buy signal, on this daily time frame. And if the alpha trend print a buy signal on this daily time frame, then I'm gonna go all in Ethereum. Guys, I don't want to strain myself so much to get involved in different project or different project. If say price is not showing me or giving me a green light, I don't care about what your fundamentals are saying to you. I look at the fundamentals, no doubt. The fundamentals help me to understand where the project is or what is going on with the ecosystem, the community, development of, are they building new products? If say they keep building new products, I want to see it reflect on the chart. And if say it's not reflecting on the chart, I don't give a damn about what this influencer gonna say about it, or what this founder is gonna say about it. I want to see what investors are doing, reaction of investors when it comes to price action. It's very important you look at price action to see what is going on there. Now, looking at other coins, let's just dive right away to Ethereum. Ethereum looks so good, even though we are seeing this huge green, huge red vector candle here printing here. I love what I'm seeing. So what I expect Ethereum to do is I want to see price move right down to $2,800, or yeah, we can see Ethereum move right down to $2,700. That's possible. And looking at where the alpha trend, where the trendillo is, I think the Tornado is gonna print an over like we're gonna see some sort of divergence here, and also because the Trendillo hasn't yet printed this zone, this red zone here. You see red zone. After this red zone, we saw this pump up. Now I'm waiting to see another red zone to pump it to get to the green zone. So looking at the Trendillo alone, looking at what it does, you can easily get involved in different projects, get out, and usually if say you want to get out, you should get out when the Trendillo has reached it peaked to an extent when you see that price is failing, price is not able to make higher highs, for example, you would have get out yeah, when price breakdown, always when price breakdown, price is always gonna go to retest this zone. And when the alpha trend printed this sell signal, it also price also will at least attempt to move back to the upside. And if price is not able to move back to the upside to go above where this alpha trend printed this sell signal, then that's when I am bit more bearish. I'm gonna, place a sell signal if say I'm trading, or maybe get out for most of my altcoins and come and wait for the alpha trend to print another buy signal before I can go in. Looking at this alone, it eliminates all the noise in the market. I don't have to rush, be in pressure to want to buy this or buy that. I just need to follow my rules, follow my plan, and follow my strategy. And if everything aligns with what I'm seeing, then I am gonna go buy that coin and wait for it. I'm a swing trader. It works for me that way. I love trading spot alone, and I focus on coins that have huge upside that can move 10%, 20% in a day, or in a week, or in a month. They can move about 30% if say like they keep, depending on how it moves. So if a coin move, like let's say today it moves 10%, tomorrow it falls 5%, and next day it falls 5%, or move 10%, I want to capitalize on all those movement. And I look at this, like I look at my indicators, look at what is going on. Like for example, if say I have to go to the better moving average right now, you will see that if I bring in Ethereum, you see where Ethereum is. Ethereum is closer to where the bottom moving average is. Let me just go back to another chart so we can see this more clearer. Now you can see Ethereum is where is almost closer to where the bottom moving average is. You see, and alongside this 200-day moving average. Now, because this 200-day moving average is still pointing above, I believe that if we see a huge price, huge movement to the downside, we're going to see a bounce back to the upside. And if say price is not able to go and make higher highs from where it is right now, we are seeing the alpha trend has printed a sell signal. We should expect the alpha trend to print a buy signal. And if it prints a buy signal and price is not able to go and break this zone and make higher highs from where it is, from where it printed a sell signal, then we're gonna see more downward movement with price, or price consolidate. But I think more awesome stuff is coming with in Ethereum, the ecosystem. A lot of ETFs, along on the way coming. So I think maybe we're gonna see some good stuff with Ethereum. But I think that also the price of Ethereum might hit $10,000. That's what the words in the street is saying, that in Ethereum might hit about $10,000. Now, looking at other coins that we talk about here, I want to go right now to those top coins that I always mention on my platform. I have already accumulated some of them already. Now, I have Quant. Quant is back there. It's back there. If you go, like, guys, don't just take my word for it. Go and research this Quant project very well. If you trade Quant alongside Bitcoin, you can really make awesome profit. If you just look at what Bitcoin is doing and you are able to make about 5%, 10% of Quant every week or every month, that's good money to make every month. And if you keep compounding that, Quant alone can make you whatever money you want in your life. Don't like I see you guys, not only you guys, I at times I fall prey to that. Like I want to look at this coin, look at that coin, but as I keep building my mindset, building my investment, I've come to realize that you don't have to buy every coin. You need the coins that you understand, how it moves. Then have one, like you have that coin long term, and you have that coin on your trading portfolio. So you have a wallet that coin is you're just accumulating that coin, and you have a wallet that you are trading that coin. So you are trading that coin to accumulate that coin. Right. So let's say, for example, you have $1,000 or $100. You buy that coin for about $20, and you buy it also for, like, let's say the rest of, like, you buy it, like the trading account, you buy it for $20. And if, say, that trading account, keep making you money, you keep adding that money to the holding account. And if the holding account keep dipping, you keep buying, also that, or with the rest of the money you have. So let's say you bought it first with $20, and it keep dipping, you keep adding until you're gonna get to a point where you're gonna have enough of that coin. Then you start using now your trading account to keep accumulating that coin. Because usually when you do DCA, you can get to a point where you're gonna buy or exhaust all your USDT. Now you are left with the amount on your trading account. So you're gonna be looking at TA, then get in, get out, get in, get out. You keep accumulating it. Then you now do the same. You can do the same on your holding account. If, say, you're selling like 10%, then you buy back with a 10%, 10%, you buy back with 10%. So if you see a 10% increase, and you get to a point where you know that, okay, now we might see some sort of reversal. You sell some, it falls, you buy some. Guys, the idea here is not for you to, like, it's not about the dollar value to increase instantly. It's for you to accumulate that coin, as much as you can, so that in the future, when we get more adoption and price move from one level to another level, price might never visit the point you bought earlier, like, maybe, let me say, last month, 2 months, 3 months. Price can just, and if price does that, and if you have been accumulating long term, you can understand what I mean to say right now. You're gonna have so much, in terms of that dollar value that you were losing when price was going down. So this is the kind of mindset you should have when you are investing in this market. So I think, to an extent, this is the first coin you should be looking at. The second coin that you should be looking at, I told you guys I have three of this coin that I want you guys to see. The second one is ApeCoin. ApeCoin is another coin that you should be looking at. And before I go to ApeCoin, I've seen Audi. I told my wife today that Audi is gonna get to this price point, and we're gonna see Audi goes to $22. So right now, I want to at least buy one Audi. I want to buy at least buy one Audi, because Audi has gotten to a point where I think I should buy one Audi right now. So let me get one Audi, at least one Audi, to my portfolio. Oh, my portfolio is so down, it's really down. So let me get one Audi. Wow, my Audi is really down. At least let me get one Audi right now. Audi is gonna go to about $22. That's what I wanted to say. So I want to buy one Audi right now. Let's see, what's the price? 34. Yes. So yeah, I just got one Audi. I keep buying. I'm gonna buy so many of it when it gets to $20. But if you watch my show, I told you guys that I'm really skeptical about Audi, because price was at this point in time, and I was like, okay, looking at where Audi is, and looking at like this structure, price has been, attempting this structure before, and now we are looking at these vector candles here. They can come and recover all of these vectors here. And what I'm seeing that is they can push price, maybe not like immediately. They can push price, let me say, the next 2 or 3 weeks of this month, can push price right back to $20 per order, recovering all of these vector candles, which I think is possible. Or maybe we can see price get to $25 which is okay, which is gonna be an okay zone. So look at Audi. Audi is a very good project. Don't look at the price dumping. Of course, Bitcoin is dumping and Audi has to dump because Audi has been in a massive uptrend from you can see. So price dropping, is gonna be good for the project, so that we can see price move back to the upside, which is good. Now, ApeCoin, I mentioned ApeCoin in a year. ApeCoin is another coin that I have been accumulating, but I think I should hold on with ApeCoin a little bit because I want to see what price will do. Yeah, if say this dip is over and price hold this zone here where price is, I think maybe we're gonna see something really good with ApeCoin. But now let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is keep dipping. Let's go to Bitcoin price. Bitcoin is dipping still, and we are still holding strong this area. If Bitcoin lose this zone here, then we're gonna see a huge week down this area. So this is a daily time frame. Let's look at the 4 hours time frame. Let's see if say we might be expecting some sort of quick reversal with Bitcoin because it's very important if Bitcoin might reverse so that you can like already try to look at your altcoins to see what they are doing. So let's look at this. Can we see a quick reversal for Bitcoin? Okay, looking at this, I think Bitcoin might hold because I think Bitcoin might hold until this moving average must have entered this zone here very well. You can see like now this 200 moving average is in this zone, but I think it's somehow far away somehow. But we're gonna see at least price recover these vector candles. That's what I think is going to happen. And it's already happening with Audi. So we can see this happen as with Bitcoin as well. So the next area we're going to see is going to be around $56,000 or $57,000. So this might really cause all other altcoins out there to move drastically to the ups, to the downside. And all the ApeCoin, QNT. Guys, let me just say any coin that you think move alongside Bitcoin, yeah, go for it. Go for that coin. If say that coin is dumping right now and Bitcoin is dumping, then go for it. Okay? Don't like I am doing this because I understand this coin that I just mentioned to you right now. You might have your other coins that you are monitoring, and you can get all of these indicators. They are free. Just go here and get all of they are free. Go to this indicator section. You can search the BETONG moving average. This is it, yeah. You know, the moving average, the first one, get that one. If you not get, this hybrid system by Tino, go also to the indicators. You click on it. You traders reality. This is it. The first one, traders reality main. You get it. It's free of charge. And if say you want to get the Trendilo as well, go and get Trendilo. I use all of these indicators. Trendilo, the open source, go and get it. Guy, this is what I use to trade crypto or trade Bitcoin. And this is what I use to help me trade altcoins in general. You know, and if say you wanna get the same settings, yeah, I'm gonna do this in a different video. I'm gonna do a video particularly for that, to show you how like to do it exactly as it is. Yeah, because when you bring in the indicator, these indicators it won't be the same as you see here. You have to customize it to suit your style, your trading style. This is from Traders Reality, and this is my indicator. Let me bring in the Trendilo. Trendilo is here, and you can see I mentioned. Oh, guys, wow! If only you guys listen to me. I mentioned that we haven't seen Bitcoin, printed this. Let me printed this green zone here after this red zone. So we ought to see Bitcoin print this red zone here before maybe we can start seeing some sort of recovery, to the upside. So I think yeah, we're gonna see Bitcoin recover, reverse, and if Bitcoin is not able to go and make higher highs, then Bitcoin will keep going down, and this might be catastrophic to altcoins if say altcoin season is not yet come. So usually, guys, when Bitcoin has pumped like that and Bitcoin dump, That's when we start seeing altcoin season. But for now, we have to be cautioned to like as we accumulate those altcoins. That's why I mentioned yesterday and previous days that you should limit your exposure to most of the coins that we have here. All right, guys, I think this is it for today. If say you haven't yet like this show, comment below. If say you are mostly in altcoins, Bitcoin or USDT, did you watch my previous show? Are you protecting yourself? You comment below. Let me get to know if say you are good to go. If not, then it's okay. There's still more upside and downside in cryptocurrency. And if say you want to be part of my community, the links are found below this video. Go and join my Telegram group. And if you want to know what I'm buying when I'm buying it, then become a VIP. If say you want to become a VIP, then join the Telegram group first, and then let us know there that you want to become a VIP, and I want to tell you how to become a VIP. Until then, guys, see you the next time or see you tomorrow. Bye bye.